Validity is paramount in educational testing. It ensures that tests accurately measure what they are designed to measure. This principle is critical for meaningful interpretations of test scores. When tests are valid, educators can confidently use the results to inform instruction and student learning. Imagine a telescope that distorts images of distant galaxies. The data collected would be meaningless. Similarly, invalid tests provide a distorted view of student understanding. They lead to inaccurate conclusions about learning progress. Validity ensures that our educational tools are as precise as the instruments we use to explore the universe. It allows us to see a clear picture of student knowledge and skills. This clarity is essential for effective teaching and learning. There are three main types of validity: content, criterion, and construct. Content validity focuses on whether a test comprehensively covers the intended learning objectives. For example, a valid physics exam should encompass all the key concepts taught in class. Criterion validity examines how well a test predicts future performance or correlates with a current standard. A high score on a college entrance exam should generally predict success in a university setting. This demonstrates predictive validity. Finally, construct validity explores whether a test accurately measures the underlying psychological trait it aims to assess. For instance, a test designed to measure creativity should genuinely assess creative thinking abilities, not just memory or general knowledge. Each type of validity plays a crucial role in ensuring that assessments provide meaningful insights into student learning. Determining validity involves careful analysis and evidence gathering. Content validity is established by aligning test items with learning objectives and seeking expert review. Criterion validity is determined by correlating test scores with relevant external measures such as future performance or established standards. Construct validity is more complex, often relying on multiple sources of evidence. This may include correlational studies, factor analysis, and experimental research to confirm that the test truly measures the intended construct. Several factors can influence validity. Poor test construction with ambiguous questions or inappropriate difficulty levels can undermine accuracy. Inconsistent test administration, such as variations in timing or distractions, can introduce bias. Student factors such as anxiety or language barriers can also impact performance and consequently validity. Finally, if instruction is misaligned with assessment content, the test may not accurately reflect student learning. Educators play a vital role in ensuring test validity. They can enhance validity by clearly defining learning objectives before designing assessments. Developing test blueprints that specify content and cognitive levels helps ensure comprehensive coverage. Using a variety of item formats, such as multiple-choice essay and performance-based tasks, allows for a more thorough assessment of different skills. Pilot testing items and revising them based on student feedback helps identify and address potential issues. Providing clear and concise directions minimizes confusion and ensures that students understand what is expected of them. Establishing consistent testing conditions with minimal distractions and equitable time limits promotes fairness and reduces bias. Finally, considering student characteristics and individual needs, such as providing accommodations for students with disabilities, is essential for ensuring that all students have an equal opportunity to demonstrate their learning. By taking these steps, educators can create valid and reliable assessments that accurately measure student learning and inform instructional practices.